my name is Lishalini K. Murugan. My metric ID is SB21015. Let me introduce about environment role of microorganisms. Microorganisms are found everywhere in the environment and play a big role in natural processes. Among other things, they operate the basic drug cycles that are necessary for plant supply of nutrients via the reaction of organic matter in soil. At this process, greenhouse gases are released to the atmosphere at the same time, so the microorganisms also play a key role in relation to climate and climate change. The effect of microorganisms on this environment can be beneficially or harmful or inapparent with regard to human measure or observation. In addition to exercising their function in environment, microorganisms also have a great potential for use. For an example, nitrogen fixation also results in replenishment of soil nitrogen removed by agricultural process. Thus, along with all these benefits, microorganisms greatly contribute in maintaining sustainability of environment. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Wastewater treatment is a process of removing impurities from wastewater and converting it to an effluent that can be recycled back into the water cycle. When the effluent is returned to the water cycle, it has a low environmental impact or can be reused for a variety of uses called water reclamation. In a wastewater treatment plant, the process is carried out. Various types of wastewater are treated at wastewater treatment plants that are appropriate for the sewage treatment. A treatment plant is a facility that treats household wastewater, also known as municipal wastewater or sewage. Industrial wastewater is treated either separately or in sewage treatment plant, usually after some form of pre-treatment. Agricultural wastewater treatment facilities and leachate treatment plants are other types of wastewater treatment plants. Waste separation, like sedimentation, biological and chemical process like oxidation and polishing are all commonly utilized in wastewater treatment. The sort of sludge is the most common byproduct of wastewater treatment plants and is usually handled in the same or another wastewater treatment facility. If anaerobic treatment procedures are applied, biogas could be another byproduct reclaimed water is made from treatment wastewater. The primary goal of wastewater treatment is to ensure that the wastewater can be safely disposed of or reused. However, before the wastewater is treated, the options for disposal or use must be addressed so that the proper treatment technique may be applied. The word wastewater treatment is frequently interchanged with sewage treatment. The type of wastewater to be treated distinguishes wastewater treatment plants. Depending on the kind and extent of the contamination, a variety of techniques can be employed to treat wastewater. Physical, chemical, and biological therapy processes are among the treatment steps, but the following are examples of wastewater treatment plants: sewage treatment plants, industrial wastewater treatment plants, agriculture wastewater treatment plants, leachate treatment plants.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Rafika binti Asfi. My metric number is SB2023 and I represent about bioremediation. What is bioremediation? It is made up of two words. Bio means alive and remediates means to solve a problems. Bioremediation is the technique of fixing a problem using living organisms such as microorganisms. We can express by combining these two words. In other words, it is a branch of biotechnology concerned with the removal of environmental toxins by the use of microorganisms, which are the primary biological agent. As a result, bioremediates are organisms that are employed to degrade contaminant. Mechanism. Bioremediation process or working procedure is based on the activity of the microorganism we use. For their growth and reproduction, those leaf creatures decompose and take organic compounds such as carbon, electron, the supply of cells, building materials, and an energy source. Type of bioremediation method. In general, technological can be classed as in situ or ex situ. In situ bioremediation is when polluted material is treated on the spot. Ex situ bioremediation is when contaminated material is removed from its original location and treated as well. Advantages and disadvantages. There are numerous benefits and drawbacks to bioremediation, which is a completely natural process. Let's take a look at them more closely. It has a number of advantages, including first, degrading pollutants from a wide range of contaminants and converting them from a harmful to non-hazardous for its useful. This method can treat toxins at their original place, eliminating the need to transfer contaminant from one medium to another. Last, because the output we get is not damaging to the environment, it is also environmentally beneficial. After learning about its different benefits, let us look at some of its drawbacks. First, only biodegradable substances are allowed. Second, it is necessary to have a healthy microbiome pollution and proliferation. This is due to the fact that biological mechanisms are extremely fast. Their procedure, and last, their procedure takes a long time to complete. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad Anwar with matrix ID SB21028. Now let's go to the conclusion. Before that, I want everyone to think about why our creatures have created microorganisms. When we hear the word microorganisms, it reminds us about a small microscopic creature that we cannot see with our naked eyes. However, we did not realize that microorganisms are actually more than that in the role of saving our environment. From wastewater treatment to bioremediation, microorganisms keep working in the environmental cycle. That is why there is indah water, which keeps our tap water clean. Not to forget that bioremediation involves companies and organizations that help our environment to always be healthy. I end my group TED Talk present with a slogan: the environment must be maintained in order to protect the survival of life in the future. So that is all from us. Thank you.